This is Arizona 247 uncompacted voids. We have to have a calibrated measure. To calibrate the measure, we need to get our initial weight of our measure and the glass plate to the nearest 0.1 gram. Then we're going to fill up the measure with distilled water at a temperature of 77 plus minus 1 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure there's no bubbles clinging to the sides or the bottom. Check the temperature of the water, 77 plus or minus 1 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure it's filled all the way to the top. Place the glass plate on there. Make sure no bubbles are underneath the glass plate. Then dry off the outside of the measure and underneath the glass plate. Again, weigh it to the nearest 0.1 gram. With that, you can do your calculations. When you calculate it, the volume of the measure is calculated to the 0.01 cubic centimeter. This one has been calibrated, we have it on the side. Okay. So now we get into the procedure itself. We start with a minimum of 500 grams of -8 material. We're going to subject it to a sieve analysis according to Arizona 201. And when we do this, we can do it just like 201 using the number 200 sieve as the bottom sieve. But for this procedure, we can replace the number 200 with the number 100 sieve. You only have to go through the number 100 sieve. Once you do that, the sieve analysis, you're going to sieve out each sieve. As you do that, you're going to save each individual size in separate pans, and then you're going to combine this material according to this table. This table is in the procedure. It tells you for the pass number 8, retained on the number 16, you need 44 plus or minus 0.2 grams. Keep on going down. The total sample weight is going to be 190 plus or minus 0.8 grams. That's what this is. It's already been combined and ready to go. So first thing we need to do, we have our calibrated measure. We're going to weigh that to the nearest 0.1 gram, record that weight. Place this into our apparatus. Put your finger blocking the hole here of the comb. Place your sample in there. Before you place it in there, make sure you stir it up good. Make sure it's good and fine, not segregated. It'll overflow. Once it stops, you can strike off the excess, but you can only use one stroke. I've got it leveled using that one stroke. Tap the sides to consolidate the material in the measure so you don't lose it. Clean all the excess off the outside. Weigh it to the nearest 0.1 gram. Subtract out the empty weight of the measure. That gives you the weight of the material. We need to recombine this material for our next trial. and make sure it's well mixed. Cover the opening with your finger. Pour the material into your funnel. Level it. Again, let it flow, filling up the measure. Strike it off in one stroke. Clean all the excess off. Weigh it to the nearest 0.1 gram. What I'm looking for here is for 2 trials to be within 0.5 grams of each other. They don't have to be consecutive. It can be, if you did 3 trials, it could be the first and the third. You keep doing it until you have any 2 that are within 0.5 grams, and you use those 2, you average those, and record the average to the nearest 0.1 gram. That's what you need for the calculations, and that's it.
Please be sure to review all of the materials available in your Asphalt Technician Certification Workbook.